Hi friends, this is Kishore. Welcome back to my channel. Today my voice is under weather. Please don't mind. Today I'm going to cover my why market rallied two standard deviation range on Friday in just 2 hours. Japan bond purchase impacting US Treasury market. How market reacted to CPI and PPI data in the past as we are getting CPI and PPI data in this coming Wednesday and Thursday. Good chart setup to find stocks in this market. Stock market phases and where we are at. Finally, earnings season kicking off. This is not a financial advice just for knowledge purpose only. Let's jump into the show. So as we always see, this is CNN fear and greed index. Right now we are in the fear, and we know like it is in the extreme fear on Wednesday and Thursday, and market rallied on Friday. So it's a short squeeze, and most of them is a sea of green. Only very few are in the red, and it's a weekly heat map. We can see technology and communication services are really good, and energy and utilities almost all are red. And this is sector performance for the week. Technology and communication service kept the S&P 500 green, and energy is continuing its downtrend. It's almost 4 weeks. Utility is also same, almost 4 weeks. It's going down. And this NFP data. NFP data is expected 170k new jobs, but it added 336k. So it shocked the market, and most of them now the Fed may hike the rate in this coming week. I mean in this month. So 27.1 percentage are expecting the rate hike increase, and previously it is only just 20%. And this is CPC put call ratio, and in the down you can see SPX. Whenever there is a put call ratio like above 1.5, market found a bottom. You can clearly see here it's a bottom here, and here also one, and this is one. And in August 15 little bit went down and then bounced. So why? So whenever there is a huge number of puts compared to the calls, the market will give a short squeeze kind of thing. And we can clearly see here, uh, there is a double inside day in this SPX daily chart. We can see double inside day on Wednesday and Thursday, and in Friday, first 40 minutes the market went down from 10 almost 10:05 to 12 p.m. It went up crazily. So similarly, it happened here also, double inside day, and next day it gap up and went up. And this is if I draw a Fibonacci level from for first 35 minutes from high to low. So the market went to the 3.618 Fibonacci level in just 2 hours, and from there it went some sideways, and again it closed at 3.618 level. And when I draw a standard deviation in my chart on the daily chart, it can clearly see here the 420 and 431 levels. So the market went almost to standard deviation on Friday because of the short squeeze. And this is Bank of Japan hacks bond buying as benchmark yields the hit decade peak. As this news came on October 2nd, and because of this, the USDJPY is going crazily as Japan is continuing bonds. It's buying its bonds. It impacting the US 10-year Treasury yield also. The US 10-year Treasury yield is also following the same path of JPY. And you can clearly see here futures contract shortage of shorting US Treasuries. This is a shorting. How many shorting positions are there in the Treasury bonds? It's a huge one. So compared to any other year in the past, so, and also you can clearly see that TLT is clearly going the downtrend, and right now it is at 84.79, and I see the next support is at 82.51, which is a June 2007 low. So still it is under pressure of selling. We do not know where it will take a bounce, or it will take a at least some support kind of thing. And this is the economic calendar. On Wednesday we are getting PPI, and Thursday we are getting CPI. And I put a this is a PPI data. So I put a PPI release dates, the yellow lines, and this orange line is PPI data. So last PPI data came more than previous one. So, and the market reacted green only, the positive only, here also the same, and here also the same. And we can clearly see this one is the CPI data overlaid on SPY. The CPI data is going down, and the green lines are CPI data release days. So this helps me to know like how market reacted in the past on the CPI release dates and the PPI release dates. And the SPY on this is right now I have see some gap at 436. And Friday volume, I do not give any value to this volume and the candle because it's a short squeeze. But the CC is going up, so I'm expecting a little bit go up here up to 436. The gap, there is a gap, and then it may revert. And the SPX weekly chart. So right now it took a support here, the trend line support. We can clearly see the green hammer kind of candle, but not really hammer. But if it bounces here, that's a good sign. And the QQQ daily chart, Similar here, the candle and bar, I do not get any value. Right now, I see some support at 360 and 355. I believe it may come up to the 360 and then bounce on Monday. Let's see. And the IWM is also like on Wednesday, is a kind of a reversal candle, hammer candle, and CC a positive divergence. So I thought it goes up, but on Thursday, it did not make much movement. On Friday, it closed green, very green. And this is number of stocks above 20-day moving average in the SPY. So it hit my buy signal 14 on last week, and it went down to the on Wednesday almost like 5 point something, 5.95 something, and from there it bounced. So it's a short term buy signal here. So I buy here whenever it hit 14. I buy few stocks, and then I'll sell when it goes up to the 36 or 38. And this Bloomberg US Treasury total return unchanged. On Friday it went down. So every day evening the chart will be updated. So in general, my observation is whenever it is market is green, this is green, but on Friday, though even though the market closed green, it is red. So I will talk about this chart later in my one of my video. I want to talk about this bond market. So how the bond market is related to the equity market, and how the treasury yields come to the futures market. Like you can clearly see here that the futures market CME group. I would like to talk about this channel. And this is how to find a good setup in this current market. Right now we can see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows in this lot of stocks. So in I follow this one, but here this setup is for the going shorting or going down. But if it breaks here, you can clearly see there is a trend line, and there is a support line, and there's a Fibonacci level of 0.618 golden ratio, and the candlestick, if it is a green, this is a tweezer top kind of thing. But here if it is a green candle and breaking this support resistance level, that's a that's a very good place to go long. And the four market phases: accumulation, advancing, distribution, and declining. When the market goes sidelines on the when the 200 moving range is going down, it's a accumulation phase. And advancing, if it is goes up above the 200 moving average, and if it is going on sideways in the 200 sideways on the 200 moving average line, then it's a distribution. If it goes down below 200 moving average, it's a declining. So it's an IWM weekly chart. Right now we are here. So the the 200 moving average is going flat, and market is in the distribution phase. So if it goes above 185 and breaks this 200 level, then we can think about the advancing. Till then I feel it's a distribution thing. And this is a spy, again daily, this is a daily chart. We can clear it's a 200 right now. The market took support at the 20 moving average. So we this is advancing. So advancing is done. So right now it looks like it's going for the distribution, or it may go to the declining. And this is QQQ is far better than IW and SPY. It's where the current price is way above the 20 moving average of 332. So it may go up, or it may continue its advancing, or it comes down to 332, means again it is also falling in the distribution or declining phase. And this is, as we know, this week Citi Group is going to give its results. So but this chart is very interesting to me. Unrealized loss on lenders balance sheet. So there are huge losses on the balance sheet. So how the Citi Group results would be is very interesting to me. I'm going to share that news in my coming video. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please watch more videos in my channel. Please subscribe if you like them. Please share this content if any of your friends looking similar kind of content. Please hit the bell icon so that you'll get notification when I upload new video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.